Hi everyone. So, in this series, we'll be learning about all the important topics which are required for our Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics exam. Okay, so we'll just take a course overview of what topics we'll be going to cover. So, basically, there are 11 to 16 topics. There are 16 topics in all which we have to cover for our course. Okay, so these topics are spread over the period of 2 years. So, we just have to prepare for our exams, and these are the basic topics which we have to cover. So, we'll just go through each topic and we'll just get an overview of what those topics actually are. Okay, so the first topic that we'll be studying is functions. Okay, we'll learn about types of functions, what functions actually are, and many more things about functions. Okay, so the second topic which we'll be covering, which is in our course syllabus, is simultaneous equations and quadratics. So we'll just learn what simultaneous equations are, what quadratic equations are, and what are the roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so we'll just go through that. Our third topic is indices and surds. We'll just learn what indices are, what surds are, what operations are to be carried out on them. Okay, so we'll just learn about that. The next topic is factors and polynomials. Okay, we'll just learn about the factors we have studied in our earlier grades, that what factors are. So we'll just learn about polynomials also, that what are polynomials, how to get the roots of your polynomial, and what is the factor theorem. Okay, so these are the broad areas which we'll be covering in this topic. Our next topic is equations, inequalities, and graphs. Okay, so we'll just learn about equations. We'll get to learn about what inequalities are, and we'll just plot their graphs also. Okay, our next topic is logarithmic and exponential functions. I've already started the series on logarithmic and exponential functions, so you can just check that out on my channel. So we'll just learn about what logs are, what logarithms are, and what exponential functions are. Okay. The next topic is straight line graphs. Okay, so in this topic, we'll just learn what straight lines are, what is the equation of a straight line, okay, what parallel lines are, what are the equations of parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and we'll also learn how to plot their graphs. Okay, graphical representation of straight lines. Our next topic is circular measures. Okay, circular measures means that we learn about circles, sectors, arcs, and everything. Okay, our next topic is, which is a very important one, it's trigonometry. Okay, we learn about trigonometry, sine theta, cos theta, what are they, tan theta. Okay, we learn about degrees and radians and operations which are carried out in trigonometry. Our next topic is permutations and combinations. In this chapter or in this topic, we learn about what factorials are, okay, how to take out the values of factorials, what are permutations and what are combinations, okay, what is the difference between these two topics. Okay, so we'll just learn that. Our next topic is series. In this topic, we'll learn about the arithmetic progressions, the geometric progressions. These are just the subtopics of series. Okay, so when we write a pattern, or we write a few numbers, and when we are able to recognize a pattern in them, that we'll study in series. Okay, so the next five topics just comprise of your calculus part. Okay, so basically we'll be doing this in our second year, like for the preparation in our second year. Okay, so the topics of calculus are, the first topic is differentiation 1. Okay, so we'll learn what differentiation is, how to differentiate. Okay, so we'll learn about differentiation. The next topic is vectors. Okay, it is just a part of this only. So we'll learn about vectors, what vectors are, the direction of vectors, and everything else. The next topic is differentiation 2. So differentiation 1 is just the basic uh, topic, which we'll just cover some basic subtopics under the differentiation 1 topic, and then we'll go to advanced differentiation in differentiation 2. Okay, the next topic, which is the second last topic, it is integration. Okay, we'll learn about how about definite integrals, indefinite integrals. So these are just the subtopics of integration. We'll also learn about the difference between differentiation and integration. Okay, how we'll do that. So we'll just learn that in this topic. And the last topic is kinematics. Okay, so in kinematics, we'll learn two topics. There are two subtopics in that: differentiation in kinematics and integration in kinematics. Okay, so the application of these two in kinematics. So we'll learn about that. So this is just a basic overview of the course which we are going to study under this Cambridge IGCSE Additional Maths, whose code is 0606. So we'll broadly and in detail we'll cover all these topics. Thank you.